I'd like to dedicate this next song to a person wrote a book called Let Justice Roll Down that inspired this next song. He's a civil rights leader, and I found it completely incredible that he would respond with love instead of hatred. And it felt like this mind-blowing moment for me where I felt like, oh, okay, so hatred is a cycle that continues itself, and love is something that interrupts that cycle. So this song's dedicated to John M. Perkins. It's called The Sound. Static comes in slow. You can feel it grow. Streams of conscience flow under the streets below. Oh, 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 oh. The river's made a sound, still running underground. Runs like a silent flood. We run as thick as blood. Can you hear it rise up from the ground? You can't drown it out. Can you hear it now? But this is the sound of a heartbeat. This is the sound from the discontented mouth of a haunted nation. We are the voice of breaking down. Can you hear me? This is the sound of a desperation bound by our own collision. We are the voice of breaking down. Static comes alive beneath broken skies. John Perkins said it right. Yeah, your love is the final fight. Oh, let it rise above, rise above. There is no song louder than love. And this is the sound of a heartbeat. This is the sound from the discontented mouth of a haunted nation. We are the voice of breaking down. Can you hear me? This is the sound of a desperation mouth